we're gonna start with a movement which is a kind of camel and 8 and circle with shimmy. So let's start. We will start with this 8. So this is an 8 inside. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So you go diagonal back and you twist a little and then diagonal opposite and twist a little front and change. Okay, so my pelvic is inside, my chest is open, my shoulders down, and I have my head. And 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we will combine with this movement the camel. So this camel, we will start really from the chest. So we will out front and we will try to keep the belly with muscle. We will engage muscle. So here, then up like this, like a little half circle. So 1, then and in with pelvic. 2. And here, when I go inside with my pelvic, I bend my knee. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and engage my muscle and 2. Okay, now we will start from the left hip. Okay, your left hip. So I stand on my left balance and I open my right leg. I'm up a little and I will go first inside with my left. It will be 1, then with the right 2 and 1 and 2. Here look, it's my left balance and it's my right balance. I mean, when I go with one hip, it's the same balance. It's my left, your left, okay? It's your left, it's my right, but you do like, okay, like it's your left. So, my left, and it's my left balance, okay? I'm on the left. And when I go on the right, I'm on the right balance, okay? So, it will be 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Now I up, okay? And on the 1, I go in the floor. 1 and 2, I up again. And 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Now I will play with my knees and I will do like straight and bend and straight and bend and straight and bend. Now we will add the camel. So when you start with your hip, okay, just a little details here about the feet. So I'm not completely like here, okay? I'm diagonal, okay, with my feet and also with my hips, okay? And I start here, okay? I can think about 2 eyes in my belly, okay? These eyes will look here, then here, then here, and here, okay? It's important to change direction with my belly, with my hips, okay? Okay, now with the camel. So, I open my chest on the first hip. So it's one. Then I go down and inside when I come back. Okay? And left hip, right hip. And one and two. And don't forget to engage your muscles. And two, and one, and two. Okay, now we will try to add some circle with my hand. So it will be only one circle. One and two. And one and two. And one and two. Okay, let's try. 6, 7, 8. Okay, so here I have my right hand up, left is here, and it's like this position and just going down. Okay, relax your shoulders. 6, 7, and only one, and okay, and one, and two, and one, and two, and one, and two. Okay, let's try the other leg. Let's go without hands first. 6. Be careful your position. Okay, your balance is on the left and the right is up. 6, 7, and 1 and 2. Okay, and open your chest and inside. And 1 and 2. And eyes. 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. With circle. 6, 7, and 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. Of course, you can do what you want with the arms. You can change. You can do what you want with arms. Okay? Let's start from back side with the end. So I'll start with my right. 6, 7, and 1 and 2. And straight and bend. And straight and bend. And straight and bend. We change with the left one. 6, 7, and straight and bend. And straight and bend. And straight and bend. And straight and bend. Okay, now the second movement is the circle with shimmy. Okay, let's try. So, let's take, yes, one up, heel. Okay, my balance is bend, not straight, bend. And I will do like front, up, back, down, front, up, back, down, front, up, back, down, front, up, back, down. Let's do it without stop. 6, we will put like here, the end. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try again. You can change leg. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let's try to add shimmy. So here, the shimmy is with the hip. It's total relaxed shimmy. So you do like, okay, you can just have both, okay, in the floor, leg, just to practice. So it's up, down, up, down, up, down. Don't move the chest, okay? And try to relax hips. Try to relax. And I take my muscle off my belly and my chest. Okay, now try to combine. So of course, when you combine with another movement, it will be just more little, okay? Not so big, because we will not understand what you do. So 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Change side. So maybe when you do it, you can feel, of course, more one hip, okay? Because we have this leg up, so we feel more this hip than this one. It's normal. But you have to play with 2 hips, not only with 1, okay? 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we will try to combine everything. Let's do it slowly. Okay, we will start from here. So it's your left. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we are here. We take this leg, which is up. Just change direction. Hop, and do the circle with shinny. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then keep the same position, the same direction, but change balance. Hop, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Take this one, change direction. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I show you from back side and do it a little faster. Let's go. Start from the right. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4,